I'm going to record 3 different voiceovers using 3 different styles or tones, and they're all going to be completely random. That would be a number 6. That's a 5. So number 5 for tone is whispery. It's going to be a whispery movie trailer. That sounds like it might work. All of the subjects that I came up with here, I grabbed them straight from the voiceover samples from voices.com. So this one was the movie trailer script. And if you take a look at that one, we actually have a few options. Let's do the one that's going to work the least well. Let's go with comedy movie trailer with a male lead. At least we got that going for us. And we'll just catch like part of this. Like I'll do it quick. Let's hop in the booth. I've been tasked with a comedy movie trailer in a whispery voice. I'm going to try it out. I'm just going to do like the first opening line here. So I'm going to grab this, throw it in our free teleprompter. We'll go max, and this is how I'd normally do it. I'll just show you real quick. We'd throw I almost said Audacity. Throw Audition on the right-hand side, throw my teleprompter on the left. The other thing you have to remember there is to always hit max 725 pixel, and that will give you the whole kind of screen being used up. If you need more screen, you can always just mosaic to the side, blah, 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 blah. But, you know, for now, this should be good. So let's start recording. Here I go. 88.5 Miles is a family comedy about a 13-year-old Elliot, whose holiday plans are ruined when he is sent to spend his summer break living with his 88.5-year-old Grandma Jo in the humdrum town, of Mount Laurel, New Jersey. We'll fix that. In the humdrum town of Mount Laurel, New Jersey. I mean, it's not the right tone, but hey, it's something. Hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. At least I think it might. Okay, subject number 2. Let's see what it ends up being. Number 3. All right, so number 3 was nonprofit. And for the role on this one, for style or tone, it's going to be a number 1. So a friendly nonprofit. That sounds like it should work as well. I'm not too worried about this one. Let's grab the script for that and hop in the booth. Just grab this. Don't even look at it. Throw it in the teleprompter. Start old prompter. So this was supposed to be friendly, nonprofit. Friendly. So we're just going to think about being friendly. We're going to think about having a good time. Here I go. Yeah, Furbark. Let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Furbark is an organization based in Aruba that rescues injured stray animals who have been abandoned. The organization is trying to appeal to potential donors and volunteers to adopt, become a foster parent, or to donate supplies. The video will feature playful puppies and kittens, as well as before and after shots of the rescues. So there we go. Not too bad. It did have kind of not quite the right kind of tone. Obviously, this should have been maybe a little bit more somber, but, you know, tomato. All right, so our last role for our very last voiceover today. Let's give it a shot. Let's hope it's a good one. A 2. A 2 is an explainer, so pretty comfortable with those. You can imagine that is something that gets bought a lot on Fiverr as explainers. And the style or tone is a number 6, which is a confident, growly tone. Oh boy, that does not bode well. What I was kind of envisioning here was the sort of like Bass Pro Shops, like I've been around, I know stuff kind of voice. So this might be interesting. So let's go to the explainer video scripts. We'll grab this. It looks like it's going to be for productivity software, maybe. So let's go down here to the 15-second read, shall we? So let's grab this. This is going to be bad. This is going to be real bad. Okay, so, oh man, explainer. Work, life, balance. Impossible? Not anymore. Introducing. I hate that. This word is terrible. Weequilibrium. Introducing Weequilibrium, a productivity app that seamlessly brings together your personal and professional goals into a streamlined schedule that puts your dreams within reach. Download it for free at I can't say that word. Equilibrium for free at weequilibrium.com today. All right, I think that was gravelly enough, let's hope. I think it sounded okay. Didn't sound that bad, all right? Using different styles can be pretty challenging, but once you get the hang of it, they can mix and match pretty well. Sometimes. But you can have all of your styles and tones dialed in, but it won't matter if what's going into the microphone sounds like garbaggio. I don't know if that's Italian for garbage, but hopefully it is. If you want to find out how you can avoid all of that, check out this video here where I explain cheap sound treatment options, and I even try some out. Click it. Do it.